Vegan Bolognese, originally published on January 23rd, 2020, spoken word added in December 2021. Personal chef turned blogger, one of my favorite recipes is now yours. Alternative suggestions are offered for those not interested in a vegan lifestyle or in experimenting with meatless meals. I primarily cook meals that are organic, dairy-free, gluten-free, and soy-free. There are 3 hyperlinks for you here. But you're welcome to make substitutions to my recommendations as you desire to better fit your lifestyle and goals. Although it should be noted, I feel most would benefit from the elimination of conventional animal products and conventional items within the Dirty Dozen, plus dairy, gluten, and soy altogether. Step 1. Gather essentials. When I make recommendations for alternatives to wheat, rye, and barley, gluten-containing ingredients, you can expect that these products are just as good, if not better, than their gluten-containing equivalent. Choose any shape you desire. I choose standard spaghetti noodles. It's a picture of different varieties in the packaging that you're looking for at the grocery. Picture throughout, like usual. When I make dairy-free recommendations, you can count on the items to be just as good as their animal equivalent. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. Step 7. Enjoy. Are you a practicing vegan? Have you seen the research that proclaims vegans to be overall healthier than their animal-consuming peers? Do you enjoy experimenting with meatless meals? Have you seen the research that reveals vegans as having a more responsible environmental footprint? Have you given Beyond Meat, hyperlink, a chance to replace your animal equivalent? What are you waiting for? Hoping you choose to take the very best care of your one and only temple and our one and only planet Earth. Did this expression add value to your life? Please consider donating to support and buying a symbolic cup of coffee. Thank you in advance for your contribution and your generosity. Sending you peace, love, and everlasting protection. Namaste. I'm Maggie Feckety, nutritionist, experienced registered yoga teacher 500, certified health coach, and board certified holistic health practitioner. If you'd like to learn more about my background and offerings, there are 2 additional links for you here. Wishing you a beautiful rest of your day. Au revoir. For the full 7-minute expression, which includes the complete recipe, visit the Insight Room at theguestbungalow.com.